Hello students, this is your accountancy lecture. In our previous lecture we have seen about what is partnership. What is partnership? We have seen definition, agreement and partnership deed. Partnership deed. In 11th standard, we have seen about sole proprietorship. In sole proprietorship, there is only one candidate who handle the whole business. वो अकेला ही कैंडिडेट पूरे बिजनेस को संभालता था. बट इन पार्टनरशिप देयर आर मिनिमम टू and maximum 50 owners. Minimum 2 and maximum 50 owner can handle the whole business. They can run the business for mutual adjustment. Okay. In today's lecture, we have seen. We are going to see about what kind of account we will prepare in partnership. Accounts prepared in partnership. Okay. The first account is capital account. First account is capital account. Remember student, what is capital? What is capital? The cash, the asset which bring by owner of business are called capital. The assets bring by owners of business, that asset is called capital. Means in partnership account there are several partners who bring the asset for business, and these assets are called capital for partnership firm. Understood? The owner of business bring assets for business is called capital for business. Understood? Capital for business. So first account is capital account. First account is capital account. First account is capital account. We will prepare capital account by two methods. We will prepare capital account by two methods. First method is fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating capital account. And second method is fixed capital account. We can prepare capital account by two methods. First method is fluctuating capital account and second is fixed capital account. Okay, let's see these two methods one by one. So start with fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating capital account. Okay, fluctuating capital account. Now we will see the performance structure of fluctuating capital account. So we write here capital account. Now draw the structure of account. Date, particulars, journal folio number. Now the columns. How many partners? We will draw the column of their name. Suppose in this performer total two partner X and Y. Two partner of business of capital account of X and Y. Capital account of X and Y. So we will draw two columns X and Y. X and Y. This is debit side of capital account. Now same date, particulars, journal folio number, X and Y, credit side. X and Y and credit side. Let's start the capital account. Remember student, most of the time the balance of capital account is credit balance. Most of the time the balance of credit capital account is credit. Okay, so start here by balance. By balance. Suppose X and suppose Y. Suppose any partner introduce any cash. Buy cash assets as capital. Suppose X introduce rupees 50,000 as a capital and Y introduce stock of rupees 20,000 as a capital. So these capital are recorded in credit side of capital account. Remember student, any partner when introduce any kind of capital in partnership firm, this capital is recorded in credit side of capital account. Okay, when partner introduce capital in firm, recorded in credit side. So when partner withdraw capital from the partnership firm is recorded in debit side, and this withdrawal is recorded as drawing. When owner introduce asset, it is known as capital. When owner withdraw asset, it is recorded as drawing. Understood? Next, by salary. By commission, by bonus, by remuneration. Remuneration means कोई मेहनत आना. Remuneration. Okay. सपोज किसी पार्टनर को कोई सैलरी देनी हो, सपोज एक्स को देनी है तो वाई को कुछ नहीं आएगा, वाई को देनी है तो एक्स में कुछ नहीं. किसी पार्टनर को कोई कमीशन देना है, किसी पार्टनर को कोई बोनस देना है, किसी पार्टनर को कोई रेम्युनरेशन देना है. ऑल दिस एक्सपेंसेस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. व्हेन पार्टनर्स गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ रेम्युनरेशन फ्रॉम द बिजनेस, रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. ओके. In some cases, when capital are less but liabilities are more, पार्टनरशिप फर्म पे कर्जे ज्यादा हो, उनकी कैपिटल कम हो, तो उसका डेबिट बैलेंस भी हो सकता है. डेबिट बैलेंस. कैसा बैलेंस? डेबिट बैलेंस. एक चीज रह गया, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन, ये जो कैपिटल होगा, ये जो कैपिटल है, इस पे जितना भी इंटरेस्ट हो वो यहाँ होगा. नेक्स्ट, बाय ड्रॉइंग्स. बाय ड्रॉइंग्स, ड्रॉइंग, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉइंग, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. Why? Understood? Next, by profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. When in case of loss. In case of loss, अगर बिजनेस में लॉस होता है, that is recorded in debit side of capital account. But if profit, so by profit and loss appropriation account in case of profit. In case of profit. Okay. Next, if credit balance, closing balance, if loss, उसका बैलेंस जिस साइड टोटल ज्यादा है हम उसको एडजस्ट कर देंगे. लिसन अगेन. If credit balance recorded in credit side, when partner introduce any asset recorded in credit side, when partner gets any remuneration, salary, bonus and commission from the business, all these expenses are, all this salary, commission, bonus, remuneration are recorded in credit side. Interest on capital recorded in credit side. In debit side, if capital account has debit balance, drawings, capital recorded credit side, drawing recorded debit side. Interest on drawing, loss recorded in debit side, profit recorded in credit side. Okay student, this is the performa of capital account according fluctuating capital method. Which method? Fluctuating capital method. Understood? So let's practice this performa, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Understood?